The Green Key is an international award that sets the standard for environmental tourism. It's the largest environmental accreditation with over 3,000 sites in 57 countries. And here in Wales, of course, it's run by Keep Wales Tidy. Now, as a proud trustee of Keep Wales Tidy, this award is very close to my heart as it promotes and supports businesses leading on environmental tourism.
The more people who can join in with schemes like this, the better. You know, it's for everyone's benefit, isn't it? You know, so and if we can impart that onto our visitors and our customers who come here, see our green ethos, hopefully they'll take a little bit away with them, and spread the word. You know, everybody's got to do their bit for our planet.
Ond nid llety a gwestai yn unig sy'n berthnasol i'r wobr Goriad Gwyrdd. Dwi am harg ffarm ffoli yn Sir Benfro I weld beth yw gwir ystyr twristiaeth cynaladwy.
Okay, so Folly Farm is at heart a conservation organisation. Everything we do here in the business, we try to link to sustainability and protecting the animals and the environment. And this is where Green Key comes in for us. It's very, very important, working with the international links that Green Key have, also working locally with Keep Wales Tidy. It gives us a standard and a structure to work towards. It gives us a framework where we can push the boundaries of what we can achieve here at the park. So 2016 was a big year for Folly Farm because that was our time where we spent £250,000 investing in solar panels for the roof of our fun fair. That means that we're generating a lot of energy for the park. It was also the year that we joined Green Key. It was a big inspiration for us.
Nid yw cynhesu byd-eang yn mynd I ddiflannu ac ers I Lywodraeth Cymru gyhoeddi argyfwng amgylchedd, mae yna alw mawr ar fusnesau ac unigolion I weithredu.
So for me, it was very much about kind of this is what we're doing at the moment, and that's recognised. But how do we kind of get better and keep improving on that? And so Green Key is really strives and pushes you to do that.
Yn ôl rhai adroddiadau diweddar, mae bron I 80% o dwristiaid sy'n aros ym Rhydym yn meddwl bod hi'n bwysig iawn fod unrhyw lety yn cael ei rheoli'n gynaladwy.
Being in the only coastal national park in the whole of the UK and being inhabitants of this very special place, it makes us more environmentally conscious, but above that we are really committed to not just looking after our colleagues here, but really looking after the sustainability, the long-term sustainability of the environment.
I don't think there's ever been a more important time to ensure we protect our environment here in Wales. So to find out more about the Green Key Award and to see if your business is eligible, go to the Keep Wales Tidy website.